In this tutorial, I will show you how to install Twister OS on Raspberry Pi 4. Let's get started. First, I will download Twister OS image from official Twister OS website. The URL of the website is given in description section. Right now only 32-bit build available. So I will download this build only. Image file is being downloaded now. I will see you after the download finishes. Twister OS pre-installed image file is successfully downloaded. Now I will flash it on a 16 GB class 10 micro SD card using Raspberry Pi Imager utility. I have choose downloaded file in operating system and micro SD card which I have plugged in my PC as storage. Now I will click right button. If any data present in your card will be erased. To know more about Raspberry Pi Imager, watch the video given in I button. The writing and verification process will take some time depending upon the read-write speed of your SD card. Remove the card from PC after process is finished. I have removed the card from my PC. Now I will plug it into my Raspberry Pi 4. I am using Raspberry Pi 4B 8GB RAM variant. HDMI cable to monitor, Ethernet cable for internet and wireless keyboard mouse is already connected to my Pi. Now I am inserting the SD card on which I flashed with Twister OS in my Pi. SD card is inserted, now I will power it on. As it's an pre-installed OS, hence no installation is required. Now you are going to see the Twister OS desktop right away. Twister OS has power of Linux and looks of Windows and Mac OS. Welcome to Twister OS. I will soon bring for you the complete walkthrough of Twister OS. Till then enjoy you Twister OS. You can switch to Windows or Mac OS themes if you are missing your old operating system. Thanks for watching. Please like the video and subscribe the channel if not already done.